What's up, my mathletes? This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you. And in this video, we're going to talk about headings for the assessments that you'll be taking in class. So the heading that you're going to use, the heading that we're going to be using this year will look like the following. All right, so on your paper, on your individual paper, what you're going to do is simply write out each of the following things. So of course, on the very first line, you're going to put, so I'm going to put a little 1 right here on the first line. You don't have to put a 1 on it, but you'll write down your name. Now, on that same line, or maybe up in the space above it, you're going to write the honor code statement, and you're going to initial that. And the honor code statement, you can see that is below where you would write the following. And you write this in your own handwriting, of course. This work represents my own thinking. I neither gave nor received any unauthorized assistance. And then after you get that written, of course, you're going to initial it, and that will be there on that first line. The second line, you'll put which block you have. If you're block 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, so you're going to write block, and then you're going to write, whatever the number is that would go there. So you will include the word block. And then date. So the date, of course, you're going to include the word date. That's going to be on your third line, and then you'll write the date there. And then on the fourth line, you are going to write down the title of the assessment. So maybe it's a quiz on trig ratios, the 6 trig ratios. Whatever the name of the quiz is, or the test is, whatever that assessment is, you'll write the title of that on line 4. Now, also on lines 2 and 3 on your paper, you're going to add the following 2 items. One item is going to be start time, so you're going to actually write out the word start time. So I'm going to highlight that for you. So you're going to write out the word start time, and you're going to write out the word stop time. And the time that you will go with will be the time that is displayed in the lower right-hand corner of your computer or your device. So the time that you started, write that time down there, and then whatever time you complete it, finish your quiz, your assessment, you'll write down that time after the phrase stop time. So those are going to go on lines 2 and line 3, in addition to the words block and date. And then the rest of your paper, of course, you're going to show all of your works, all of your diagrams, all of your pictures, just like we model in classroom. So it needs to look exactly like I've shown you guys and taught you guys in class, because that's really what's helping develop your mathematical patterns, your writing, your communication, and your thinking with that. Now, whatever time you finish, whatever your stop time is, you've got 5 minutes to get that thing uploaded. You've got 5 minutes to upload your work by the time you are finished. So whatever your stop time is, you've got 5 minutes to complete that. And if you don't have any work for your problems, then that means you've earned no credit in that. So I just want to be clear on that. So we're all singing from the same sheet of music. And I want to emphasize the academic integrity that is required and expected of you for all of your work. So I encourage you to maintain your sense of dignity, honesty, and your personal character as you work through not just this class, but any class you're in. Your academic integrity is a direct reflection of your character. So with that said, make sure you take care of correctly writing your headings on your assessments, and I look forward to catching up with you guys soon. All right, I'll see you in class. Have a great day. Peace out.